Hello, what's up everybody? It's Top Health Tips here. Did you know that something as common as ginger, the spice you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now, was once worth its weight in gold? That's right, this little root was a hot commodity back in the day. While ginger is a great natural remedy for many, there are certain situations where consuming ginger can actually do more harm than good. We're talking about when to think twice before you go ginger crazy. Whether you're a ginger enthusiast or just someone who likes to sprinkle a bit of it in your stir-fry, it's important to be aware of both the pros and the cons. In our first video, we talked about good health benefits of ginger, and now we will dive more into the cons of it. So stick around and let's break it down, and before we move on, hit that like and comment down below if you eat ginger. This is important stuff, guys. First up, let's talk about blood disorders. If you're someone who bruises easily or has a blood clotting disorder, ginger might not be your friend. Ginger has natural blood thinning properties. For most people, this isn't a big deal, but for those with blood disorders, it can tip the scales and lead to excessive bleeding, even from minor cuts or scrapes. Since ginger stimulates the circulation and increases blood flow, it has the potential of increasing the risk of bleeding. We're talking about conditions like hemophilia or von Willebrand disease. If you have one of these conditions, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. They can advise you on the right amount, if any, that's safe for you. So bottom line, ginger and blood disorders don't always mix well. Next, let's talk about medications because guys, ginger can be a bit of a troublemaker when it comes to certain meds. We're talking about some common medications like blood thinners, heart medications, and even some diabetes drugs. Also, those who use certain meds to treat conditions like diabetes or hypertension should speak to their doctor before drinking ginger tea or incorporating ginger into their diet. This is because many ginger teas interfere with the medical effect of insulin, anticoagulants, or beta blockers. Ginger contains compounds that can interact with these medications, either increasing their effects or decreasing their effectiveness. For example, if you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, ginger can amplify their blood-thinning effects, increasing your risk of bleeding. So, what's the takeaway here? If you're taking any kind of medication, it's crucial to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before adding ginger to your diet. When it comes to medications, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now this one might come as a surprise, but if you're underweight and trying to pack on some pounds, ginger might not be your best friend. Ginger is helpful because it's loaded with fiber and has the capability to boost the secretions of digestive enzymes and stomach pH levels as well as suppress appetite. However, according to the Hearty Soul Calm for those who are underweight, ginger can lead to poor muscle mass and further weight loss. Ginger can boost your metabolism and increase calorie expenditure. While that's great news if you're trying to lose weight, it can work against you if you're trying to gain weight. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. You're constantly losing more than you're taking in. If you're struggling to gain weight and ginger is a regular part of your diet, it might be worth cutting back to see if it makes a difference. Remember, everyone's body is different. And as always, if you have any concerns about your weight or diet, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Alright ladies, this one's for you. If you're pregnant or trying to conceive, you might want to listen up because ginger can be a bit of a wild card during pregnancy. While small amounts of ginger are generally considered safe for most pregnant women, especially for morning sickness, it's important to exercise caution. High doses of ginger, especially in supplement form, have been linked to an increased risk of miscarriage, particularly in the first trimester. A little bit of ginger in your food is unlikely to cause any harm, but it's best to avoid those concentrated ginger shots or supplements unless your doctor gives you the green light. Everything you consume affects your little one, so it's important to be extra mindful of what you're putting into your body. So there you have it guys, the ginger lowdown. We've covered a lot of ground today, from blood disorders to medications to pregnancy. Remember, ginger is a powerful little root with some amazing health benefits, but like any powerful thing, it needs to be respected. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's always safe for everyone. So if you're facing anything from this list, please go and talk with your doctor before you start consuming ginger. Make sure to hit that like and comment down below if you found this video as a helpful one. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next one.